It is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and Apex Physical Therapy and Wellness is joining us today to talk about how physical therapy can play a role in overall breast health. Brooke Erstead and Kayla Hager join us right now to talk a little bit about this. Welcome back to the show, ladies.
Thanks for having us again.
Okay, I find this interesting because I didn't put the two together, but every time I visit with you guys, I'm like, it makes sense. Let's talk a little bit about Breast Cancer Awareness Month and what you guys are doing, talking about how PT plays a role in overall breast health.
Yeah, so we have a pretty exciting month throughout October. It's also Physical Therapy Month in addition to breast cancer awareness. So our women's health team decided it was important to highlight breast health through the lifespan. So I feel like anything in the women's health realm, not a lot of people know that physical therapy can treat different breast health conditions. So whether you have or maybe have had breast cancer or reconstructive surgery, or maybe you're breastfeeding and having issues with mastitis, engorgement, or maybe a blocked duct, those are just a few of the conditions that we treat.
Could you give us a little bit more information as well? I heard about a post-breast cancer rehab program that you guys have.
Yeah, we just found that with a lot of our patients who are survivors or going through breast cancer, there's a lot wrapped up in the disease process itself, but afterwards, your quality of life is still suffering a bit. And it could be different techniques that we use, like myofascial release, lymphatic drainage, the nerves that are involved after surgeries to remove breast tissue or lumps, all need to be kind of calmed down and allowing your body to move freely, gain your strength back. And then additionally, there can be sometimes the pelvic effects from all of the different treatment options, like chemo and radiation, and how that can affect just your entire body system. And so helping people get their quality of life back is really what we're about in our post-breast cancer program.
Obviously, I'm biased, so I like just talking about women's health. But I just want to point out, you guys don't only treat women. It's just that you recognize that us ladies, we have some, different things that we might need treated or looked at a little closer than the men.
Right. Our team here has some additional training in men, women, and children, but all things to do specifically with matters of like incontinence, pelvic pain, breast cancer, and the things that in this case make us uniquely women take a little bit of extra training, and it's important to be sure you find a skilled therapist for helping with those conditions. We have a team of people here and that are really passionate about helping men, women, and kids.
Okay, so you kind of already answered this, but I wanted to ask, what makes Apex unique to treating this specific population?
Yeah, absolutely. So fortunately here at Apex, we have 3 board certified women's health therapists. With there only being 4 in the state of North Dakota, we feel pretty proud here at Apex to have 3 of those practitioners, and the only in the region to have that certification. So there's a lot of additional training and behind the scenes work that goes with that gives us ample knowledge and skill to treat some more complex conditions. I also feel too, it just should help the patient and practitioner to know and trust that they're receiving the knowledge and treatment that they need. It's important for us here at Apex to deliver the best, highest quality care for our patients, and in order for them to achieve optimal results.
Sometimes we don't want to ask those questions because we feel embarrassed, but a great place to talk to people who are out right now, putting it out there, talk about breast health, talk about pelvic floor physical therapy, things that so many women are dealing with but feel like it's just part of being a woman, just part of aging as a woman. That's not the case. So how do they go about getting a hold of you? Maybe asking a few questions, setting up an appointment. Where do you start?
I think a great place, you could give us a call. Our phone number is 701-364. It spells the word Apex, but that's 2739. And then we have a lot of great information building up on our apexptwellness.com website. And you can also email your therapist or a pelvic floor therapist right from the website. So we'd be happy to chat with you individually if you'd like to give us a call or send us an email or reach out in any way you feel comfortable.
Okay, and you know what, this is the month to do it. I love that it's PT month, but also Breast Cancer Awareness Month. That just reminds all of us ladies to, focus on ourselves instead of just taking care of everyone else right now. Thank you guys so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stay with us. Coming up next, we're going to check in with the Valley News Live newsroom to see what's coming up on your news at noon and give you your daily dose of motivation.